Alright y'all, welcome back to the shed, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time ever coming to this channel, welcome and thank you for coming in here. My name is Timmy and my wife and I have a small side business at the house where we fill our shed with inventory that we find at Walmart, Target, thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, and pretty much anywhere we can find a good deal and buy things at a low price, and then we turn around and put them on eBay and Amazon and Mercari and Poshmark and Facebook Marketplace to make a profit. Today we have 7 items going out, and those 7 items sold on 3 different platforms. We have a sale on Amazon, we have 3 sales over on eBay, and we have 3 sales on Mercari. I also have 1 item that is still pending payment on Amazon, so that'll probably come through later tonight, but I'm not going to pull that one yet because technically it's not sold. The first item up is our Amazon sale for today, and it is a game that we picked up from Target last year, and it is Battlefield 5 for PlayStation 4. We had, I believe, $5 in these games. We picked up 20 or 30 of those games from Target, from multiple Targets, and it sold on Amazon for $16.50, and of course I had to pay the shipping on that. Next up, we're going to move over to eBay. Now this item right here, I just picked up at a local yard sale, and I believe I paid $5 for this thing. I picked it up like two weekends ago, I believe. But it is an item that you can buy at Walmart. It's a Hart 20 volt power source inverter, and it is brand new, still in the package. And I scanned the UPC on it with my eBay app while I was at that yard sale, and it came up selling for around $40 or $50, I think it was. And I immediately paid $5 for that. I had no problem. I take that back, y'all. I didn't get it for $5. I actually got that Hart inverter and that guy right there, that big Kong right there. I got the 2 of those together for $15. So technically, I would say I had $7.50 in that item. So it sold for $46.50, and the buyer is going to pay shipping on top of that. They are in it for a total of $61.35. So that was a great pickup for $7.50. Next up, I do not know what my wife paid for this. She picked up a lot of Scentsy items, and all these things are brand new in the box. And this one, I'll have to read you what it's called, but the box just says, it says Scentsy Jane. I don't know exactly what that is. All I know is that it is some kind of wax warmer. You put the wax on the top of it and it heats it up. And her title says New Jane Full-Size Scentsy Warmer, Traditional Edgewardian Iron Style, Retired and Rare. So that was a long title, but you know, some of these items from Scentsy and Pampered Chef, and I mean even old video games and stuff, if it's a retired item or a rare item or a hard to find item, it sells for more. It sold for $25.99, and the buyer is paying the shipping for a total of $42.04. Next up, this is an item that I think, if I remember right, I bought one of my GoPros used, and it came with a GoPro backpack. Now, when I say backpack, I don't mean like a school bag. I mean just this little, simple, thin, you know, probably something that everybody throws away, GoPro bag. That's all it is, y'all. So it came with the GoPro that I bought, and I didn't want it. So I looked on eBay to see if I could sell it, and sure enough, it sold for $13.89 with free shipping. That's free money to me. I mean, that pays for, I don't know, a little over half of a new battery for my GoPro. So I'm happy to see it go. I never would have thought that you could sell that item, but sure enough you can. All right, now we're gonna move over to Mercari. I sold some Lego Dimension items, and it is just a large lot of miscellaneous Lego items for the Lego Dimension games. And I took pictures of all of it and put it up, and I figured, you know, if I got anything for it, I'd be happy with it, because all that stuff was given to me for free. One of my friends gave me all that, and many other pieces that I had put together and sold. And it sold for a whopping $10 with free shipping, and I'm fine with that. I'm not really gonna make any money off of it, but you know, at least somebody's gonna get some use out of it, and I got another sale on Mercari, so I might make $2 or $3 off of that, maybe. I also sold this on Mercari. It is a pool maintenance kit that we bought last year. We picked up a bunch of these from Walmart on clearance for $7 each. Now they're kind of large, and I have to ship them UPS to save the money on shipping. But on Mercari, I had it set up where the customer's going to pay the shipping on this, because it's actually cheaper to use the Mercari shipping on heavier items than it is for me to go to Pirate Ship or somewhere and try to ship it. So that item sold for $15, and the buyer's paying the shipping on it. Not making a huge amount off of that. Like I said, we paid $7 for them last year. But this last item I have had for quite some time, and it is the only one of these items that I have ever bought. And I found it in a Habitat for Humanity restore. I can't remember if it was on my lunch break one day, or I think it was on my lunch break one day, and I paid $8 for it. And y'all, I didn't think I'd ever get rid of this thing. It's been sitting in my back room for a long time. It is a Cobra Junior golf bag, and it's in really good condition. Everything on it functions like it should. It doesn't have any rips or tears or stains in it. Everything up here is in good shape. You know, a lot of times you'll see this stuff is really dirty or starting to get worn and torn. But Cobra Junior. But like I said, I paid $8 for it on lunch break. But y'all, it's been sitting in my back room for I don't even know how long. It's been back there since like August or September of last year. But today I accepted an offer on it. I believe I was asking $50 for this thing, and somebody offered me $45, and I took it. But that's $45, and they're gonna pay the shipping on it. So I am really happy with that. I paid $7 for it. It sold for $45. I will take it. I will go over what is pending over on Amazon, and it is a Masters of the Universe web store action figure, and I don't remember what I paid for this in the store, but if the sale ever goes through, it sold for $36.94. But thank y'all for being here today. I appreciate you staying to the end. I have some yard sale footage and stuff that's gonna be coming up here shortly, so y'all stay tuned for that. And you know, I'm gonna take you into thrift stores. If you think that's something that you enjoy, going with me to Target, to Walmart, into thrift stores, yard sales, garage sales, anywhere I can find a deal. If y'all enjoy that kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit that notification bell so you are alerted every time I put up new footage. Thank y'all for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.